Azure Fundamentals Training. Today demo I will show you how to create a simple virtual network in Azure portal. Portal.azure.com. I am just connecting my cloud account. Portal.azure.com. Portal.azure.com. So I am entering my credential. Stay signed in. See, go to portal menu. Portal menu. I am just selecting my portal menu. See, left hand side, top left most, it's showing 3 blades. Portal menu. Go to virtual network. Virtual networks. I'm just created regarding previous my MCSA demo. I just created vnet. Ignore this vnet. Apart from this vnet, I'm just creating one more simple vnet. Create virtual network. See, for creating virtual network, it will consist of 4 columns like basic, security, IP address, and review plus create. So basic column, I'm just selected my subscription as pay as you go. I'm just creating one more new resource group. It is a vnet RG. vnet RG resource group. Virtual network name is also vnet demo CEH. I'm just entering some unique name. So my location is West US 3. So create a resource group, virtual network name, and security. See, whenever security column will consist of virtual network encryption and Azure Bastion. Azure Bastion, by using this service, by enabling this particular Azure services, you can connect your Windows, non-Windows VM via trusted URL. Instead of connecting public IP address, you can connect your Windows and non-Windows VM via Azure Bastion. I am just selecting Azure Bastion. Before enabling Azure Bastion, I will tell you how to create simple vnet and subnet. See, while creating subnet, it will give you the address space is 10.0.0.0/16 by default. I will keep it as the default address space. Default subnet. Instead of creating default subnet, I am just changing the name because I select subnet 1. I am just creating subnet 1. See, create default address space. Instead of creating default subnet, you can change your subnet name is subnet 1. If you want to add one more subnet, add subnet. I am just creating one more subnet. Instead of default, I am entering subnet 2. Add. So now you can see subnet 1, subnet 2. So now I come back to the security column. Now I am enabling Azure Bastion. See, what is Azure Bastion? It is a paid service. By enabling that particular service, you can connect your VMs via some trusted URL. So it means TLS. So enable Azure Bastion. See, before enabling Azure Bastion, you can ensure that in the IP address column there is no separate subnet related to Azure Bastion. So come to security. Now once I am enabling Azure Bastion, what will happen? Come to security address. Now it is start creating Azure Bastion subnet within the range of /26. You can see. So you can refer Azure documentation. Azure Bastion subnet by default it will create subnet /26. So we need to accept the default. What will happen? Suppose if I am uncheck my Azure Bastion service, what will happen? IP address column, the subnet won't be removed automatically. We need to delete. You can see. Now there is no separate column related to Azure Bastion subnet. Now you can see security. Now I am enabling Azure Bastion. Come to the IP address column. See, now again it is showing Azure Bastion subnet. See, it is a better practice. Whenever you are creating virtual network in Azure, you can always enable Azure Bastion subnet. Review plus create. See, once validation is passed, click create. Once validation is passed, I will select click create. Start creating virtual network with multiple subnet along with Azure Bastion subnet. I am just created 2 subnets. within the vnet. So apart from these two subnet, I enabled one more subnet. So that is the purpose of connecting my Windows or non-Windows virtual machine via trusted URL, Azure Bastion service. So within this demo, I will stop my recording. Thank you.